What's up, guys? It's Awesome Gaming here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tour review on my bed, because I like to. It keeps going up. Where should I put this? Ooh. No, it's way too low. Right here. First, I'm going to be reviewing the Night Dragon Hot Wheels car, because I can. Open this up. Here it is. It is it's got 2/5 of scariness, I guess. So this is going into that's not my off-brand collection of Hot Wheels, but up here is my messed up Hot Wheels collection. So wait, charging, please. Those are all my Lamborghinis. I love Lamborghinis. Then, so Hot Wheels. This was made in Malaysia, but when? 2013, yeah. Put that on there. I also have the Cloak and Dagger Bishop. So it's got a chest thing on it, I guess. 4/9. Alright. If you hear anybody in the background, those are my grandparents and parents. There's the Cloak and Dagger right there. Looks pretty cool. I like it. Put it up there with the rest of my collection. Next up, there will be a better one at the end. Next up, we have this baby. This is the, I'm not sure what it's called. I have the one with the tag over here. It is called the Super Stream. Blasts water up to 30 feet. Right there. It's Adventure Force. There. So I'm going to go fill this baby up now. Both the same. You can look really cool with these. If you hold them both, you look cooler. Next up, we have the Star Wars one. Lego Star Wars. I'm going to have to move my camera up here. Actually, where should I move it? I have no space. So I'll put it down here. I have to bend over a lot. I'm going to put it in time-lapse mode when I start building. Alright, so here it is right there. Lego Star Wars. I'll use the lighting's bad. I'll put it up there so the lighting's a bit better. Actual size of the minifigs. Minifigs, 2 stormtroopers. I'm not sure what he's called, or he, or she. That might be she. One might be a she. So here we have bag. An instruction booklet right there. Also, we have another. I'm recording a video.
No, Crystal, no. Why? We don't need that.
Alright, now that I'm finished with the building, here is the people. This guy, he will drive the vehicle that I made. So I'm not going to show you guys yet. Oh, and the set is called First Order Specialists Battle Pack. I'll show you the other sets that you can get too afterwards. So Oh, and these are all from the new movie, The Last Jedi. Alright. So I've already done this guy. I'll put him down by the instruction booklet. Here is a plain stormtrooper. Right there. Got some details. Here's another stormtrooper. Same details. And here's the same guy, except he's got a different mask. Different head, too. There. Same back, same front. Oh, same side, same other side. So, let's get on to the weapons. Each character came with a gun like this. You push down that button on the blaster. It's a laser blaster. Shoot out little laser things. And here's another laser that it came with. That goes onto the vehicle. And here are two other weapons. They used these in The Last Jedi. I'm not gonna say the part of the movie that they were in. My brother's in the background doing all that. There are some extra parts right there for the playset. Alright, here's the main thing that you actually want to do in this, unless you're collecting characters. You press down this to fire it. And then you can fit a minifig in there to man the battle pack thing. So there he is. These things can move, so it sort of moves. Then this goes up and down. It spins all the way around. And that is the pack. Hopefully you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe for more toy reviews. Alright, bye!